We are pleased to show you the 2018 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, cruise control, airbags, front, center, power brakes, child safety locks, trip computer, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.